Hi everyone, welcome to Gaming Explained. Today in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can purchase rings as a stylist on SuperStylist game. So let's get started. First of all, open the SuperStylist app on your device. Next, once you've skipped that, you can find the home screen. Tap on the outfit that you've been wearing. Now, if you want to make changes to the outfit, you can select and get a new one. But if you're not, you can just go ahead by tapping on the green icon. Next, you can find rings section on the accessories. Tap on the rings option and then choose one of your choice. Purchase if you want to with diamonds. And that's it. This is how you can purchase rings as a stylist on SuperStylist game. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so that you'll never miss another gaming update.